Quick note. This is an automated educational summary of public medical sources, Mayo Clinic, the NIH, and Medline Plus. It is for tracking your health markers, not medical advice. Always confirm results with a licensed clinician. According to Mayo Clinic and the NIH, your gut microbiome, the trillions of bacteria in your digestive system, influences everything from nutrient absorption to your immune response. But if you're experiencing digestive issues or just curious about your gut, testing at home is now affordable and convenient. In this video, we're walking through exactly what these tests measure, what they cost, how they work, and where you can order them online right now. Whether you're dealing with bloating, irregular digestion, or just want answers, there's a kit for that. Let's break down the complete 2026 guide. So what exactly are these tests looking for? Medline Plus explains that gut health tests generally fall into a few categories. Some test for specific bacterial imbalances, others screen for unwanted organisms like parasites or pathogenic bacteria, and others measure digestive markers like inflammation or enzyme levels. These tests are educational tools. They give you data about your microbiome composition, which you can then discuss with a healthcare provider to understand what might be affecting your digestion, energy levels, or overall wellness. The key thing to remember: these are informational snapshots of your gut, not diagnostic tools. They're designed to give you insight, not medical prescriptions. There are several main types of gut health tests you'll find online in 2026. SIBO tests. Small intestinal bacterial overgrowth use a breath sample to measure hydrogen and methane levels. Microbiome analysis kits sequence your stool sample to show bacterial diversity and composition. Then there are parasite screenings, lactose intolerance tests, and general digestive wellness panels. Companies like Thorne, Everlywell, and Viome offer these kits online, each with different approaches and price points. Some test only for specific bacteria, others give you a full profile of your microbial community. The test you choose depends on what information you're after and your budget. Here's how the process actually works. You order the kit online. It arrives at your door within a few days. Then, depending on the test type, you'll collect either a saliva sample, a breath sample, or a stool sample at home. The instructions are straightforward and included in the box. You seal the sample securely, attach a prepaid shipping label, and mail it to the lab. Most labs process results within 1 to 3 weeks. Then you get access to a detailed report via an online portal or mobile app. Some kits include interpretation guides or consultations with nutritionists to help you understand what the data means for your specific situation. Let's talk price. In 2026, at-home gut health kits range anywhere from about $60 to over $300, depending on what's tested. Basic SIBO breath tests start around $90 to $150. Microbiome sequencing, the more comprehensive analysis, usually runs $150 to $250. Premium wellness panels that combine multiple tests can hit $300 or more. Some insurance plans cover certain tests if they're ordered by a doctor, but direct-to-consumer kits are almost always out of pocket. A few companies offer payment plans to make them more accessible. So before you order, check pricing on multiple platforms and see if your insurance covers anything. Ordering is simple. Start by searching for specific tests online. SIBO test, microbiome analysis, gut health screening, whichever matches what you're looking for. Major platforms like Amazon, Everlywell, Thorne, and specialized sites sell them directly. Read the reviews and check what's included. Some kits come with follow-up support or consultation options, others don't. Verify that the lab is accredited and that results go directly to you, not automatically to a doctor. Most companies require you to be at least 18 and use your real information. Once you order, you'll get tracking for delivery. Budget about a week for the kit to arrive, then a few weeks for lab processing. Keep all paperwork for reference. When your results come back, you'll get a detailed report. Medline Plus and Mayo Clinic both note that microbiome reports typically show bacterial counts, diversity scores, and how your profile compares to reference ranges. Some show specific beneficial bacteria versus potential problem organisms. Here's the important part. These numbers are descriptive, not diagnostic. A low diversity score doesn't automatically mean illness. It's information you should review with a doctor or nutritionist. Results might suggest dietary adjustments, probiotic considerations, or further testing, but the kit itself doesn't prescribe treatment. Think of it as a snapshot that helps you and your healthcare provider have a more informed conversation about your digestive health. Who actually benefits from these tests? If you experience regular bloating, gas, irregular digestion, or chronic fatigue that seems connected to food, a gut health test might give you useful information to discuss with your doctor. Some people test because they're curious about their microbiome diversity or want a baseline before making dietary changes. Athletes and fitness enthusiasts sometimes use these tests to optimize nutrition absorption. Others test after antibiotic courses when the microbiome is disrupted. The bottom line, these tests are informational tools, best used as part of a conversation with a healthcare provider, not as a replacement for medical advice. If you have diagnosed digestive conditions, consult your doctor before testing. So there you have it, the complete breakdown of gut health testing in 2026. Whether you're dealing with digestive issues, curious about your microbiome, or want to understand your gut before making changes, at-home tests are now accessible and affordable. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more health testing guides. All the links to the kits we mentioned are in the description below. Click there to explore your options and order a kit that matches your needs. Now here's the important part. What type of health tests are you interested in? Comment below and we will make a video about it.